There is a very common problem in e-commerce content that most people don't talk about. You find a clip that looks perfect. The lighting is good, the product looks clean, and everything feels like it could work in a real ad. But then you notice something. Subtitles are burned into the video. There is random text on the screen, or even a watermark, and suddenly that entire clip becomes unusable. So instead of talking about it, let me show you something real. This is the original clip, and this is the exact same clip after using FalcoCut. The text is completely gone, the distractions are removed, and the quality of the video stays exactly the same. This is where the workflow actually starts to change. Right now, I am inside the FalcoCut dashboard, and I am working with a real product clip that has subtitles placed across the video. In most tools, this would require manual masking, timeline editing, and frame-by-frame adjustments. Here, the process is much simpler. I activate the full screen eraser, and with a single action, the system detects and removes the entire text layer automatically. There is no need to trace elements manually. There is no need to adjust frames individually. The result is immediate. The same video becomes completely clean, while the resolution and sharpness remain intact. Now this is where it becomes more powerful. Instead of processing one clip at a time, I upload multiple videos together and apply the same operation in batch. Several clips are cleaned simultaneously, all within the same workflow. At this point, this is no longer just editing. This is a scalable system for preparing ad-ready footage. Now that the footage is clean, the next problem appears. Clean visuals alone are not enough to convert. You still need a presenter, you still need a clear message, and this is usually where production costs become a limitation. To turn this into a real ad, I generate a digital presenter. I upload the product image, select a digital human that fits the target audience, and input a simple script. Within seconds, the system generates a complete talking video. The delivery feels natural, the pacing is consistent, and the result does not feel mechanical. This allows me to test multiple variations quickly, different scripts, different avatars, different positioning, and all of this happens without filming, without hiring models, and without setting up any production. At this stage, we have clean footage and a presenter. But a high-converting ad needs more than that. It needs context. It needs supporting scenes that feel real. Instead of searching for additional footage, I generate it directly. FalcoCut integrates with advanced video generation models, including Kling 3.0. I describe a simple scenario such as a person naturally interacting with the product in a clean environment with realistic lighting. After selecting Kling 3.0, the system generates a video that feels visually consistent with real footage. The motion is smooth, the lighting behaves naturally, and the subject interacts with the product in a believable way. When these generated scenes are combined with the cleaned footage and the presenter, the final result stops looking like AI content and starts looking like a real advertisement. Now comes the most important part. Creating one good ad is useful, but scaling it is where real performance happens. Let's say this ad performs well. Now you want to test it in different regions. Traditionally, this would require a new production, new model, new shoot, new budget. But here, you reuse the same video. Using Face Swap, the identity of the presenter can be adapted while keeping the original expressions, movements, and timing intact. This means a single high-performing ad can be localized across multiple markets without rebuilding it. Instead of creating new ads, you scale one winning concept efficiently. When you look at this entire workflow together, something becomes very clear. FalcoCut is not just speeding up production, it is removing friction from every stage of the process. From cleaning raw footage, to generating presenters, to creating supporting scenes, to scaling across markets. Everything happens inside one system. This allows you to move faster, test more variations, and focus on what actually converts. Now let's look at the cost side, because this is where the difference becomes clear. FalcoCut's Pro plan starts at $59 per month, compared to $99 for Creatify and up to $220 for AIAds. At the same time, FalcoCut offers 300 credits per month, higher than Creatify at 200 and TopView at 250, while AIAds provides only 20. In terms of output costs, a 15-second video with FalcoCut is around 90 cents to $1.80, compared to about $1.25 on Creatify and up to $44 on AIAds. So this is not just a workflow advantage, it's a clear cost advantage. You can produce more content, test more variations, and reduce your overall production cost. You can find the link in the description if you want to try it.